take a moment to get comfortable. Let your shoulders soften and relax. Allow your hands to rest naturally in your lap or at your sides. Close your eyes and settle into the gentle music in the background. We'll begin with a few deep breaths. With each breath, you'll hold it for 4 seconds before slowly releasing it. Let's begin. Take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale slowly, letting go of any tension you're carrying. Allow your breath to find its own natural rhythm. As you breathe in, imagine calm, balance, and ease flowing into your body. As you breathe out, release stress, worries, and anything that no longer needs your attention. Now picture yourself standing on a quiet beach. Before you, the ocean stretches endlessly, calm and deep blue. Golden sand glows in the warmth of the sun. In the distance, a small flock of swallows glides across the sky. Together they create graceful, ever-changing patterns, moving as one. Notice the beauty of their effortless dance along the horizon. Take another deep breath in. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly exhale, allowing tension to melt away with every breath out. Listen to the gentle rhythm of the waves rolling in and out. Hear the distant calls of seabirds, the breeze moving through the palm trees, and the soft sound of shells and pebbles shifting with the tide. Now bring all of your attention to the sound of the waves meeting the shore. Take another slow breath in. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale gently, letting yourself relax even more deeply. Feel your feet sinking into the warm sand. The fresh ocean air surrounds you. You can smell the salt carried on the breeze. The wind lightly brushes against your skin, gently pressing the fabric of your clothing against your body. With each breath, you become more aware of that soothing sensation. Take one final deep breath in. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slowly breathe out, releasing any lingering stress or tension. Begin to bring your awareness back to the space around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Your body feels deeply relaxed. Your mind is quiet and at ease. Take a moment to appreciate this feeling of peace. Feel grateful for this pause, for your ability to be fully present, and for the gift of giving yourself this time to rest and recharge. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and carry this renewed sense of calm with you into the rest of your day. May your day begin and end with gratitude.